Hi all, hope you're having a great day. So I'm on the Aerodrome finance website. I'm in the liquidity pool section. I'm just going to stick them in APR order. Okay, and I'm going to go for this crazy pool here, which is giving 533% reward. So I hit deposit. Okay, so I've already sorted out these. So it's important to get these tokens first of all. So okay, so available. So I'm going to stick all my Aero in, and I've got available 351 USD. So that's using up 342 to match it up. So you have to first allow Aero. There's all a bit of a process, this, I've got to say. Okay, so next. You just pay gas fees for everything, but hopefully it'll be worth it. Okay, so that's that granted. Then you've got to allow USD BC. Max. Next. Approve. I think that came up there over here. It was approved, so just got to wait for it to. Okay, and then hit deposit. It's still not done yet. More approving to do. Okay, so hit confirm. And then state your deposit. So here we go, state your deposit. Okay, and then you've got to allow the allow that. It's like the joint deposit, as it were. You got to approve them individually, then you got to approve them separately. Is that highlighted? Right, okay. Okay, so that's 3. Okay, and then you stake it. It is really crazy, this, you know what I mean? Can you imagine a a person off the street doing this? They just think you're crazy. I don't like it when it says this. I kind of hope that it goes, but I'm just gonna confirm it. Oh, I'm glad I didn't press it then. Right, okay, confirm. And we're done. Staking confirmed. Woohoo! Right. It's just a bit of a ball like all of this. It's just not. It's not like moving normal money around, is it? All this staking just an absolute ball ache. It's got to be easier than this. Okay, there's got to be an easier way to do this. If everyone's going to be doing this, it's got to be an easier way to do this. That's all I'm going to say. It's far too. I'm not saying it's difficult, but it just seems too many steps. Okay, and when you got steps involved, so many steps involved, people just turn off. Okay, so then that's that anyway.